Hello everybody, welcome back to Just Computer Service on YouTube. I'm gonna be showing you guys today on how to save your remote desktop connection on your desktop or anywhere else you want to save it at. Basically, this is gonna be a process that once you have it saved, with one click you'll be able to log into your servers to any computer that is on your home internet access. So let's just get started and do this. For this example, I'm gonna be using a media server that I already have set up as a virtual machine. So in my case, let's just go ahead and start this up. So for best process to make this work so we have no issues, no connections, this is the way that it's going to happen. So first up, you're gonna find the remote desktop connection. So you can find it by just typing in the search bar, just type in remote. And it should be the first one that should pop up. You open that, you go from here, here, click on show options. I already had it open, but it's gonna pop up these additional settings. So here I'm gonna put the computer name. You could also put the host name, but for my preference and for better connection for whatever reason, the IP address works better instead of the host name. So we're just gonna put in the host name. I'm sorry, the IP address, 192.168.0.55. Here I'm gonna put the username, but not just the username. We're also gonna put the host name of the computer. We're gonna put this as in like it's in domain. So in this case, it would be the host name of the computer. In my case, it's jellyfin server backslash the name of the user. I'm gonna click allow me to save credentials, and we're gonna go ahead and save as. From here, this is where we save it, put it wherever you want. I'm just gonna put it on the desktop, for example, and I'm gonna name it media server. Click on yes and save, and there it is. You can close this out. Now this should already have the access. So once you click that, it's gonna ask us for this password and click OK. We're not gonna click remember me because it might not take it. It's gonna show you what happens. I'm gonna get this, click on yes, and I'm connected now to the computer. But that's not what we want to do because every time it's just gonna pop up with doing this. Even if we do this, it's not gonna save it. So the additional step we need to do to fix this is we're gonna go on Windows, type in control panel. From here, we're gonna go to user accounts, and we're gonna find credential managers. From here, we're gonna go to the Windows credential managers, and from here, we're gonna generate a generic credential. Add a generic one. Now here, do the same thing. Put the IP address of the machine that you want to connect. And here, same thing that you did on the remote desktop connection. And the host name, we go, and now the password. Now having this saved here, I'm gonna see it's right here. It's modified today. I'm gonna remove it, keep that there. Now that we already have that set up, we can close this out. Now when we click here, it's supposed to launch automatically, but the first time it's gonna ask you for a message. This message will always pop up the first time. So you just click don't ask me again for the connections. Check that. Click connect. Same here. Click don't ask me and click yes. Now you're logged in again. Now let's just close that out. Click it again, and now it's supposed to be automatically. And there you go. Now you have that save up. You can do this with any computer that you have set up on your internet home address. So basically that's it, guys. With this, you can basically just go here and don't even remember what your username is if you actually hate doing that. Well, this is actually an easy process that I basically like to do whenever I have the time, just to save up a little bit of seconds or minutes. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy it. You think you found this easy enough or anything else, and I hope to see you guys on the next time. Please like and subscribe this video. If you have any issues or problems, please do not hesitate and just place in the comments, and I'll reply as soon as possible for you guys. If you have any other concerns or anything different that you would like to see on the channel. As always, guys, thanks for watching and have a good one. Goodbye.